Hi viewers, welcome to Chef Renalton's Kitchen. After a long time, I come back with a new recipe. This is going to be Odia country style goat damka curry. It's going to be dum style. It's totally different from regular goat curry. This is going to be like a marination method. So we're going to marinate the goat and going to leave it for 45 to 1 hour, and for that marination after that, so we're going to cook that goat curry. But what about the spices I'm going to use for that damka goat curry? It's all spices we are going to use, fresh one, and we're going to blend like a first generation method and separate all the spices. I'm going to blend and keep it aside. Then I'm going to use for that goat curry marination. So first I'm going to do the marination, then I'm going to keep it for 45 to 60 minutes, then leave it for rest for that masala, everything has to coated with the goat. So then I'm going to cook for this goat curry. It's going to be really authentic country style of Odia goat curry. It will give more flavor and more taste. Definitely you guys going to like it. It's going to be like a 2 hours time, so the goat curry will be ready. 1 hour you're going to keep it for the marination and 1 hour for cooking time. So the damka goat curry, it's a totally different. It's a Odia style, it's a country style, it's a damka goat curry with authentic, more flavor, more taste. So let's start it now. All spices are ready here. You can see here I have all spices ready now, and onion and tomato, everything, and I have some fresh goat meat. It's almost like a 10 to 12 pound. It's a 2 leg pieces. We cut it into small pieces. So all the mise en place are ready now. So I'm going to marinate now. So just follow the recipe and the process, step by step. So then very easy to make it. So damka goat curry, so I have a very nice pot here. So which pot we are planning to make damka goat curry? The same pot, use it for the marination also. Then just, we're going to cook directly. So now I'm going to use some healthy oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. It's a very good for hot. So I'm using a sunflower oil, and either option, you can use clarified butter also. Which is Indian ghee, you can use that one also. So now I have some sunflower oil now. So then I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste. So I'm going to add some turmeric powder, green chilies, julienne ginger, cumin paste, whole coriander paste, fennel seed paste, and the garam masala paste, fresh red chili paste, fresh yogurt, salt to taste, fresh mint, fresh cilantro, brown onion, fresh tomato puree, and I'm going to add some, the masala, we grinded all the masala, right? So we wash and we save that water. So we didn't throw those waters. I'm using those water also. And just mix it together, everything, You can see the color, it looks so beautiful, and, orange and red color. So now, I'm going to add goat meat, which is I already, cut it into small pieces. It is a fresh goat meat, it's almost like a 10 to 12 pound. So I'm going to add in that masala and mix it together, everything. We marinated the goat meat now. I'm going to keep it for 30 to 60 minutes for the rest. So then we're going to start cooking now. So 1 hour before, we marinated this goat meat. So now time to cook. before start cooking. So you have to prepare for some atta for that. We have to seal the pot before cooking, and so you can see that 2 strips of atta I made it with the whole wheat flour. You can make it in all-purpose flour also. So anything, either one, you can use it. So with that, just you can seal the pot, around like this. Seal the pot with the. Then later on, you can lid them on the top. Then you can start cooking the meat. Then you can use the lid, and seal the pot. Just press it. So let's start cooking now. So better make it in slow fire. In 45 minutes to 60 minutes, the goat curry will be ready. So exactly 1 hour now. So the dum ka goat curry is ready now. So I'm going to remove from the fire now. Let's see how it's look like. Wow. You can see it looks so beautiful, See that goat meat also, so tender and so soft, So because, it will take just 45 to 1 hour, because we are sealing the pot, That's why, it will cook very fast. And the meat also, it will give more tender and more soft. And the spices also, along with the meat, it will give more flavor and more taste. This is like a home style, goat curry. So any get together party or any event, is a very good choice for dum ka goat curry. I hope you guys enjoy today's video and the recipe also. If you like, please subscribe, like and share. Bye.